Want to know how to make orbital FSW welds on your CNC machine? Find out now how to proceed with our proof of concept welding demonstration. Preventing part movement is crucial for friction stir welding. This is why our team designed a dedicated clamping solution. An orbital FSW configuration can be set up easily on most machines, thanks to the use of the Stirweld FSW Retractable pinhead for CNC. The head is equipped with a human-machine interface that allows automatic control of the retractable pin and monitoring of welding parameters. We can now start the friction stir welding process. The rotating tool plunges into the tube, which is then rotated and welded by friction stir welding. The head is equipped with a force and pin length control. Once integrated into your machine, this solution offers seamless welds with no FSW holes and enhanced mechanical resistance. Thanks to Stirweld's knowledge and equipments, you can now weld completely sealed parts in your machine at the best cost on the market. Curious to see the process in live? Visit our facilities in France and Detroit to see it in action. Contact us to set up a meeting with us using the link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to learn more about FSW technology.